Okay, so we're being lazy and we're filming this on my phone because this is a simple pickup swap up. Two new Seymour of the Duncan variety pickups. Remove all this crap, take out the pickups, come back. Wait. All right. That's the bridge. That's the neck pickup there. So we just have to remember that the bottom is the bridge and the top is the neck. So you guys remember that for me. Okay, soldering iron should be nice and hot. Let's pull that off. Pull the ground off. Okay, so that is the bridge pickup removed. Now if you were doing this for the first time, you could just take one off at a time and replace the wires the same way you found them. But in this case, it's pretty easy to remember. Pull that off. Pull that off. Not trying to disturb anything else. Just want to remove the pickups. Da-da-da. There we have. And now we have to call Rob because we don't know which pickup he wants in the bridge and which he wants in the neck. So we'll be right back after these messages. Folks, after a quick break, Rob has told us that the JB model humbucker is going in the bridge and the 59 is for the neck. So easy peasy, lemon-a squeezy. All right, there we go. Thank you, Seymour Duncan, for your kind wiring schematic. Red and white get taped together, green and bare together, and black is hot. You can see here we've got green and bare, which are that's our ground wires. Black is hot, red and white, as they say in the diagrammo, get soldered together. All right, we've jumped ahead and I've put a little bit of solder on the end of each of these leads. Remember, the black is hot. Bare and green are our ground cable, and red and white have been soldered together with a nice little bit of shielding applied to the outside there. So now we're just going to solder these back where the other ones were. And that, my friends, is going to be tout fini. Tout fini, mon ami. Let's unwrap that one and do the same. All right, we got off a little easier with the neck pickup. It's just 2 conductor wiring, which is just fine with me. Okay. So now we have one final wire to connect.